Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing 3 more Among Us characters, part 2. So let's get started. To draw an Among Us character, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve down. I'm going to go across and I'm going to bring this across, and we're going to try to draw this ovalish shape right here. And in this area right here is going to be a little bit sharper in the curve. Come back down here and connect slightly upwards. There. From there, I'm going to come to the side right here and draw a curve, imagining this coming through and bring this down. Then I'm going to come about the center of this visor area, come out about in this area, and I'm going to draw a curve as well to start the body. So let's bring this one up. And this one is going to be basically the plant on top. So I'm just going to go up with this curve, just drawing a basic Among Us, and come down. So then let's draw the legs. I'm going to come about in this area where the helmet visor area is, come down, say about right here, and draw a curve. So then bring this down more. That just helps me determine kind of where the legs are going to start. So about right here, go ahead and connect. And about right here, I'm going to come in a little bit, bring this down, and draw the other leg. So this leg is slightly higher because we are kind of drawing it at an angle. And connect. And then let's come to the side right here by the center of this visor, and then just draw a slight curve to draw the pack in the back. And about in this area, I'm going to end it with another curve. And that is your basic Among Us character. Now to spruce it up and make it a plant with a plant hat, I'm going to come to the top right here, just draw a stem. And what's so cute about this hat right here is if your Among Us character is orange, then you're a carrot or an orange, right? If it's purple, then you can say you're a grape. If you're red, then you can be an apple. There. And then for some of these vein details, you can just come in here lightly and just draw the veins. So same thing over here. Okay, so then the next one I'm going to be drawing is the flamingo hat. So same exact thing for the character. So I'm going to start once again, kind of in the same area, about right here, to draw the visor. So I'll just go ahead and draw this part pretty quickly. Okay, so once again, I have your basic Among Us right here, and I've left the top, so these 2 points are pretty much even. I'm going to come to the top and draw the flamingo. So right here, I'm just going to start to wave a curve across the head. Just a slight curve, and bring it around. So we're going to start to draw this flamingo floaty. And whatever space you have left, go ahead and finish it off. Then let's come about in this area. Imagine this is the center of the head. So in this area will be the flamingo's head. So I'm going to come about right here and start with a curve for the neck. And I'm just going to bring this in right here so you can see a little bit better what's going on. And about right here. Connect it. And I'll just bring this curve out a little bit. Okay, so then now we can start the flamingo's head. So I'll bring this up a tiny bit more. We're going to go around. This comes out a little bit and nice and brown head. Bring it back. And about right here, I'm going to come in with a curve and another slight curve right there. Then let's come right here with a beak. And connect at the bottom. And where this point you made right here, go ahead and just draw another curve to finish it off. And then a little dot right here for the eyes. And now you have a flamingo floaty on top of the head. Okay, so then now we're pretty much done with this one. Let's go ahead and draw the last one, and which is going to be the little alien pet on top of the head. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the visor area, on this area. From there, I'm going to do the same exact thing like the other ones and go ahead and just draw your basic Among Us. So come out right here. So thank you for all the love you've given me, cuties, for all the Among Us characters I've drawn, and thank you for keep encouraging me to draw more for you. There's just so many cute ones, so hopefully I'm picking the right ones to draw for you. And definitely check out my Among Us playlist. Okay, so then I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, and then the pack. From there, I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more, just round it off. Same thing over here. Now that these points are pretty much the same level, I'm going to go ahead and draw these three curves over it. So just going to kind of like drawing cake frosting, I guess, like a drizzle. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, and then 3, come down, right there. And then from there, let's thicken this up. I'm going to go up and up on this side as well. And then from there, about in this area, I'm going to stop and draw a big circle. And then just finish off whatever space you have left. And then we're going to come about right here and draw the head and bring it right back down. There. And then in the center, you can draw a little eye right here, a little dot. Should make mine a little bit bigger. Okay, there. And then of course you gotta have this little antenna thing going on. So I'm gonna thicken this up and then draw a circle right at the top. So they're all done. I really hope you love these 3 Among Us characters just as much as all the other ones I've drawn for you so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.